Do you wanna be rich? Hey, I'm not talking about big fancy home in the hills rich. I mean, own your own plain rich, like so rich you have people who count your money for you rich. Well, keep working hard and dreaming big because one day you may be that rich. But for now, you, me, and everyone we know is not rich. That's why today we are going to see where the richest of the richest people in America live. Today we are going to see which states have the richest people in them. It's pretty easy to see where the richest people live. You just have to measure how much money people make and who has the best jobs in every state. So let's go. Number 5, Connecticut. Connecticut is the one of just a handful states with a poverty rate under 10% at 9.6%. Connecticut workers are more likely than those in almost all other states to work in high-paying fields like information and finance. States with 3.5 million population but unemployment rating is just 3.6%. Sounds really good. Connecticut poverty rate level is 9.5% and median income $74,168 is large amount of money. Number 4, Massachusetts. According to the Census Bureau, Massachusetts has the highest percentage of the residents with bachelor's degree. That's pretty good. State with 6.8 million, huge level of population but unemployment rating only 2.2%. That's really good. And poverty rating in Massachusetts are 10.5%. Massachusetts median income $77,385, really huge amount of money. Number 3, Hawaii, most beautiful and most peaceful state in the United States and my favorite. Hawaii booming tourist economy has lifted the median household income. State with 1.4 million population but unemployment rating only 2.7%. That's not big deal. And poverty rate in Hawaii 9.5%. Hawaii median household income $77,765, really huge amount of money. Number 2, New Jersey. Across the river from New York City, New Jersey has the highest population density in the country. A New Jersey household has a better chance to be wealthy than in any other state. State with 9 million population but unemployment rating only 3.3%. That's really very good. And poverty rate in New Jersey 10.1%. But now we are talking most important thing about New Jersey, and that is median household income. And guess what? Median household income in New Jersey $80,088. Oh my god, in this huge amount of money you can fulfill your all dreams. Number 1, Maryland. Maryland is tops. The state benefits from its proximity to the centers of power in Washington. The National Security Agency (NSA) is the largest employer of mathematicians in the United States and it stands among the top places to work in Maryland. Maryland total population around 6 million but unemployment rate in this state only 3.8%. Poverty rate in Maryland 9.3%, but most important thing, median household income, and it's cross $80,000. Guess what? What is exact numbers? And its exact number is $80,776. How many iPhones you can buy in this money? I think 80 brand new iPhones. Really huge amount of money. Don't forget to hit like button and also share this video with your best friend and your girlfriend. Also subscribe our channel because we are uploading videos on regular basis.